Hi, my name is Billy and I'm with the Madison County Public Libraries, and today we're doing Monday Crafternoons, so welcome in. Today we're talking about succulents, or they're also known as hens and chicks. So with this one, if you did last week's craft, you can combine it. You can put it in this and hang it next to your window in your office or your bedroom. It's up to you. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about hens and chicks. They've been around for a long time. Lots of people call them succulents. And one of the main things is not to overwater it because they like dry, sandy soil or rocky. Put some rocks around them. Mine, personally, I have mine planted in the backyard on the bank with rocks, and they're just thriving. All I have to do is just put them out and they just take care of themselves. These have come from my mother. My mother gave me 2 big pots of them, and believe it or not, I got like 50 of these just from 2 pots that are about this big around. They do have what they call babies, and they will come out from the foals in these, and then once they get big enough, they'll the mother will kind of just push them off, and wherever they drop, that's where they'll sprout from. So with these 4, let me tell you about these. This one is kind of taken on the shape of the cup, and it's a little dry, which is good because we don't want to overwater it, because that's one of the mistakes that can be made. This one is kind of growing up this way from the cup. This one's a little bit water, got a little more water than the other one. But this one's kind of taken on the shape of a cup to come out. This one is the tiniest one of them, but it seems to be thriving as well. This one on the end is a mature hen, and what happens with these is they come out from the center, and it will come out and it'll eventually bloom. And then after it blooms, it will die. That is just part of the cycle. And you never know which one will do that and which one will not. Your chicks or your hens love full sun, at least 6 hours a day. And they're probably one of the easiest plants that you can plant. So we hope you enjoy this. And I hope you have fun with it, and share your babies when they come on along, but never thank anybody for a plant because it will die, or that's what my mother always told me. So until next time, happy crafting.